The Khun Nyotrap National Awakening Movement's 11 candidates to the upcoming MDC elections took their oath today at the Sisotham Auditorium, pledging their commitment to public service. The swearing-in ceremony was held in front of the portraits of legendary Khasi freedom fighters, reinforcing the party's dedication to its values and mission. The oath-taking took place before the images of Utirot Singh and Ukyang Nangba, signifying the candidates' resolve to uphold the interests of the people. Following the ceremony, KNUM officially released its election manifesto outlining its vision and priorities. The oath was administered by the party's General Secretary in the presence of party supporters, well-wishers and family members of the candidates. As part of its election commitments, KNUM has put forward 15 key agendas in its manifesto, vowing to implement them upon securing a position in governance.
Ngakulat scam, baanda ngalajok, MDC, and yainet scam, hagi nongrim jong kaseng, bat ngan pet seng dalilei, adu bandakut, kasamoy terekam MDC, wat apedeng, jing tenju, bat jing pensyoy tu bebun, juga persang bat penkelah, ya kan nongrim, bat kajuban lak, kapangalak klay ahmad kaseng, bat akhamat kiri kraw jong geri, ublay Islam gajat kiri Nyotrap.
Siksidu. Kadai banyada ya kadang kerpang jongki pai dulu. Kena taki ki tribes banong ang dia pok jala jongki mah. Ini ngila alap la bun tinggi senam bentang. Baki don ki bapendon bakalai ya kena kategori sidul tribe. Ki long chua ki jong kamen chua ki kamau bah ya sidul tribe certificate la juain na kaliang jongka district council. Omdei na kaliang jongka state government. Nakatadaw ni nadu baka simti ka state government ban ay kini sidul tribe kamtam mentali kari online kibun ba kijing bumpek benya haba swaba ka DC office ni ka sarkar kan ay kini sidul tribe ka bawan ra pada kajing turmur lani kajing punan kambakla ya kataka sidul tribe kategori tekani gadi ka ka bana kali ngajongi ngila ya sa gila pek benya ba balangi boy settlement council ni penting kenapa ka dia ka bor ban ay kan ka sernot riulom dari ka sidul tribe certificate kan 15 biang siapa ka district council nang bakan don kata ka jit purking ka biang ba ha swa bangin ay ka sidul tribe certificate siya ki ba apply iso tu ban kaliang jong ka council ka don kan ban hapsim saya Khasi tribe certificate hindi iyo iba kam darlong kan hadu kata-kata ka ba purking nomor lagi ya coba kan ka notification kat nice pak ni kusan jong ka Ministry of Tribal Affairs kidan si bun bagi kendon kibal atho ang to baki taki issue authority kibadan kita kibadan ni kabor ban ay ka sidul tribe kiban bot renti bat hakatu ka kaknais pak ni usan la thoru balada lap baki dan kibor kiba ay ka sidul tribe certificate claim da bisar nya di ban pensitom nya ki tengila don ni ki dokumen ki jongi ki baklan ki ba biang ba ki bangal ngila ban yasan bat kibor kepada page ban peti kenapa bakal sidul tribe arwan sangi